Hello students, welcome back to Venkateshan Maths Academy. This is 10th Mathematics, Chapter 4 Geometry, Exercise 4.4, Question number 5. A tangent ST to a circle touches it at B. AB is a chord such that angle ABT equal to 65 degree. Find angle AOB where O is the center of the circle. இப்போ diagram பாருங்க. ST is a tangent to a circle. It touches the circle at B. AB is a chord, angle ABT equal to 65 degree. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும்? angle AOB. அதுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும்? first join OA and OB. join பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Okay students, first given that angle ABT equal to 65 degree. Now we have angle OBT equal to 90 degree. Since angle between the radius and tangent is 90 degree. Okay, therefore angle OBA equal to angle OBT minus angle ABT equal to 90 minus 65 equal to 25 degree. Here OA equal to OB. Since radius of the circle, therefore angle OBA equal to angle OAB equal to 25 degree. Since triangle OAB is isosceles, now in triangle OAB, angle AOB plus angle OBA plus angle OAB equal to 180 degree, which is called angle sum property. இப்போ angle AOB கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அதை அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். plus angle OBA and angle AOB both are 25 degree. So 25 plus 25 equal to 180. Therefore angle AOB equal to 180 degree. 25 plus 25 equal to 50. Right side எடுத்து போயிருங்க, மைனஸ் ஆகிடும். minus 50 degree. 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Therefore angle AOB equal to 130 degree. That's all.